Welcome back. This is El Sam. Today we'll be solving a problem on indices. So join me, let's go. Now this looks big, but let's go step by step. So I'll start with the first bracket. So here I have 8a cubed b raised to power 4 all over. Now there's power law in indices that allows you to share this power to all the elements, all the numbers in this bracket. So this down here will give us 2 squared a squared b. Now b already has 3, so it becomes 3 times 2. So we've resolved this smaller bracket, and then we have our power 3 out there times, for this other side, same thing, 3a raised to power 8 b raised to power 3 over a cubed b all raised to power 4. Okay, so let's simplify further. So this gives us 8a raised to power 3 b raised to power 4 over 2 squared is 4. Obvious, we'll have a squared and we'll have b raised to power 6. Remember, all raised to power 3 times, here we have 3a raised to power 8 b raised to power 3 over a raised to power 3 b all raised to power 4. Okay, it's getting interesting. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do. So we can apply the division law of indices. So in that case, this can cancel out. 4 here 1, 4 in 8 2. So for the numbers without the a and b, we have 2. That's 2 over 1, which is 2, times for a, we'll have a 3 over a raised to power 2, and then for b, we'll have b raised to power 4 over b raised to power 6. This is for the first bracket, times, if we do the same here, we'll have 3 over 1. Then for a, we'll have a raised to power 8 over a raised to power 3. Then for b, we'll have b raised to power 3 over b raised to power 1. Sorry, this is supposed to be 3. This is 3. And this is 4. Okay, now the law of indices says when you are dividing numbers with the same number, you subtract the powers, that of the denominator, from that of the numerator. So this gives us 2a raised to power 3 minus 2, that's 3 minus 2, the powers, b raised to power 4 minus 6. Not forgetting this, we have a power 3 here, times, in this case, we have 3a raised to power 8 minus 3, that's the division law of indices, then b raised to power 3 minus 1. Not forgetting our power 4 here. Okay, to simplify further, here we have 2a 1 b negative 2, that's 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Don't forget, all raised to power 3, times, here we have 3a raised to power 5, that's 8 minus 3 is 5, b 3 minus 1 is 2, all raised to power 4. Okay, so we can introduce our 3 in now, our power of 3. So each of them will share from this power 3. So here we have 2 raised to the power 3, a raised to the power 3, and b raised to the power negative 6. That's negative 2 times 3. That's minus 6. Times, here we have 3 raised to the power 4 times a raised to the power 4 times 5. That's 20, and b raised to the power 8. Okay, so let me finish off up here. So 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. We have a raised to the power 3. Then for b, we have 1 over b raised to the power 6. Negative index law. So I don't want negative power, so I'm making this. So the law says if you have a negative index, you get the inverse. So the inverse of b is 1 over b raised to the power 6 times, here 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. 81a raised to the power 20, that this is a, then b raised to the power 8. Okay, so 81 times 8, that's 8, 6, 4. Then we have a. For the a's here, we have a3 plus 20. Following the same product law, we add the powers. Then we have b8 all over b6. Okay, following the same law of indices that we applied earlier, the division law, we'll subtract the powers. That's subtracting 6 from 8. That's the power of the denominator from that of the numerator when we are dividing. So this gives us 6, 4, 8, A 23, B 2. And that's our answer.